everyone, welcome to my video. I'm KETUT Kartika Yani. You can call me Kartika. I'm from 5A class, English Language Education at Ganesha University of Education. So in this video guys, I'm going to explain to you about teaching, asking and offering help. Okay, but before that, let me explain to you about the indicators of this learning. The first indicators is students are able to identify the expression of asking and offering help that contain on the conversation text provided. And the second one is students are able to give example of expression of asking and offering help. And the last indicator is students are able to fill the blank space question with suitable expression of asking and offering help. Okay, next, before I start to explain about the teaching asking and offering help, I will show you a video. Please watch the video first. So, from the video, can you identify the definition of asking and offering help? Yep, you are right. Asking help is expression that are used to ask help to someone, while offering help means expression that are used to offer help to other. So, do you know when do we use those expressions? So from the definition before on the video, we know that those expressions are used when we want to ask help to someone and also when we want to offer someone for help. There are two terms for asking and offering help expression. The first one is for formal situation and the second one for informal situation. The first one is formal expression. We use formal expression when we want to ask or offer for help to them who we don't know well about them, or when we want to ask or offer help for someone that has higher level than us. For the example, like students talk to their teachers. Some model that used in formal expression of asking and also offering help, like could, might, would, or shall. Some example of formal expression, like for asking help, like could you help me please? Could you give me a hand please? And for offering help, like might I help you? Could I help you? For other example, you can see on the table here, I put some example of expression of asking and also offering help. Here. And the second one is informal expression. We use informal expression of asking and also offering help for informal purpose too. For the example, when we talk to to our friends, our family, our colleagues, and other who we already know well about them. The example of informal expression of asking and also offering help, like, can you help me? I really need your help. Can I help you? Can I give you a hand? And so many. The other example you can see on the table here. I put some example of informal expression of asking and also offering help. Just look at this one. Okay, the next is about the responses. As there are some responses of asking and also offering help. There are two kinds of responses. The first one is declining responses, and the second one is accepting responses. Okay, the first one is for asking help responses. The first one for declining responses, like, absolutely not. I'm so sorry, I can't. I'm so sorry, I'm still busy. And for accepting respond, like, sure, okay, absolutely. And the other example of responses you can see here. And the second one is offering help responses. The first one for accepting, like, sure, yes, certainly, yes, please, what a good idea. And for declining offer, like, no, thanks, that is a good idea, but I can manage it. Okay, the other example you can see on it. You can see on the table. I put some of them. So when we look at from the responses between asking help and offering help, those kind of responses are quite the same. Okay, next I'm going to explain to you about the assessment of this learning. The assessment is needed to achieve the goals of the learning. Do you still remember what are the goals of this learning? Yes, you are right. The goals of this learning are those indicators that I have explained before at the beginning of the video. On the assessment, I provide you 10 questions. There are two kinds of questions. The first one is multiple choices, and the second one is essay question. I will put the question in form of Google Form. So if you want to answer the question, just click the link that I will provide later after this video. So the example of a question, like you can see here, I give you a conversation text, and then you have to identify the expression of asking and also offering help based on the direction I put on the question. And the second one is I will ask you to mention the example of asking and also offering help expression. And third example of question, I will give you a short conversation about asking and also offering help, which will there is a blank space of that conversation, and then you have to fill the conversation with a suitable expression of asking and also offering help. Well, that is all about the assessment. Well guys, that's all about my explanation about asking and also offering help. And to make you more understand about this material, I will show you a video conversation about asking and offering help. Watch the video seriously, okay?
Do you need some help, Mrs. Green?
Yes, please, Jane.
How can I help?
Will you take me to the toilet, please?
Of course. Do you want to go now?
Yes, I need to go now. Will you help me out of the chair first?
Sure. Give me your arm and I'll help you up. That's right.
Thank you.
Can you stand up, please? There you are.
Can you take me to the toilet, please?
Yes. We'll go now. Do you want to go to the dining room afterwards?
No, I won't go to the dining room today. I don't feel like eating lunch.
All right. But, it's very hot today. You should have a drink.
Yes, it is very hot. I'll have a glass of juice in my room later.
Good idea.
So, from the video, can you tell me the expression of asking and also offering help that contained on that video? Yep, you are right. The example of expression like, do you need some help, Mrs. Green? Yes, please. And the other expression like, would you help me to the toilet, please? Of course. Yep, those are the example of expression that contained on that video. Well, that's all about my explanation about asking and also offering help. So I hope you can understand what I have explained before, and also you can answer the question that I provide on Google Form. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and thank you so much. Bye.